Hello, this is our incidents page. The incidents are streamed in from the scene. So as you can see, we're adding more incidents. Um, let's go ahead and investigate this ransomware incident. So this is a completed investigation. The first thing that occurred in this investigation was that we received the alert from HPE ArcSite. After that, we fetched two correlated alerts from the scene. Let's go ahead and check this one out. We can also go ahead and launch an investigation right from here. After that, we began gathering information about the infected endpoint. If this information is not enough, we can go ahead and run a PowerShell command or script on the machine and see the results within the browser. Afterwards, we analyzed a lot of entities relating to the infected machine as well as the two correlated alerts. So we analyzed all the files on the machines, the processes, the services, the drivers, and the connections, and the URLs. We can see the results for the processes right here. We found two malicious processes, and we can go ahead and kill each one right from here. After that, we can begin remediating the incident by running either playbooks or individual actions. So playbooks are a series of actions. So for example, scan and block file. So let's say we wanted to scan one of the infected files using VirusTotal, and then go ahead and compute its reputation and block it in Snort. So we run the playbook and the whole thing will just run sequentially. Let's go ahead and check out the results of this. So it does seem to be ransomware, and the results here confirm it. Awesome. We can also just run an individual action if we'd like. So here we just wanted to do one thing, which is extract a file from this machine. And since we put the wrong path in, we got this error. The last step is that we can go ahead and notify people about this incident. So we can either text or email. Let's go ahead and email this person Jim Boards. So we can say, and then we can actually use variables from within the investigation inside of our message.
Hello. Hey, hold up.
Let's go ahead and send this. We can also update our results and our notes. And we can also download all the data relating to the incident into one zip file. Awesome. Let's go ahead and examine playbooks a little more. So here are some playbooks that we've built. They're just sequential steps up. They're just sequential actions that just execute. Here is our list of pre-built actions. So we have 5 categories: contain, investigate, recover, prevent, and notify. We also have the ability to add our own actions. So we just put in the GitHub URL of an action that was made using our SDK, and we can add that action. So here's an action that I put together. It faxes a message to a fax machine. So here's the code. So I used the interfax library, and all I had to do was make my action inherit from base action. I make this class, and that's all I had to do. And when I put this in to here, the action will appear at the bottom. We can also go ahead and look at the permissions for playbooks. So executives, for example, you might not want to run anything automatically. Whereas in the default case, you might want to do everything. So we can set fine-grained permissions in Orchestrator as well.